Hi everyone, welcome to this premiere pilot that we are trying out today here at the Dolcezza studio. My name is Iggy, for those who don't know me yet. I have been the face of Dolcezza for more than 6 seasons. I know it's a very long time, but I still enjoy it every day. With this pilot, we're gonna show you our collection of Spring 2024. And we're gonna go through our art collection and tell you more about our prints and how you combine things and how to style them to give you more inspiration and even look more fabulous in our Dolcezza look. So let's just dive right in. We are gonna start with art number 1. Art number 1 is Chantal Poirier. I'm so sorry, Chantal, if I did not pronounce your name right. My French is not so good. What I really love about this collection is the Dolcezza statement jackets. I am wearing it right now. It comes back in our collection every year. It's just a jacket that you need to have in your wardrobe. It's very great fabric, it's stretchy, it's comfortable, it's chic, but also very sporty at the same time. And what's really good about this jacket is that this collection, you can combine it with pink and blue. So, why do we love pink this season so much? I really hope you guys all watched the Barbie movie. I was a really big fan, so I'm really happy that Dolcezza is bringing back pink in almost every art collection we have this season. And to show you the pink that we can combine in this art collection, we have this new model. It's like a 3/4 model. It's a really beautiful high-waisted jeans to like tuck away that tummy and bring out the best taille. How to combine this in a classy way is with this jacket. You can do it like this. Makes a really classy style, great for like a weekend away. But also, if you want to go a little bit more casual, we have this beautiful zipper jacket. It's kind of like similar to what I'm wearing right now, but has that more print in the front, which gives it more of a playful look. Then, what I also think is really nice, this is a lovely dress that came in this season new. It's like a more tighter fitting jacket and it has 2 pockets in the front. Love that, ladies. What else do we got? Oh, don't forget this color. It's called, I think, it's called Aquarius Blue. And Aquarius Blue is a new color that we're bringing in here in Spring 2024. And what I also like is just blue on blue. Blue on blue, like if you walk in like this, like the room will definitely look at you. Heads will turn. And at the end, we have some beautiful, of course, natural fibers, you know, always that we get from Dolcezza. It's that soft touch, you know, this is a fabric that you just can't leave alone. You can't stop wearing it. And after washing it from several times, it just stays the same quality. So, one of my favorites. This is the end of our first pilot. Thank you so much for watching. As you know, this is a new concept that we are creating at Dolcezza, so we would love to hear your input. Let us know what you think. If we have to add something, let us know if you have ideas for the name of the show. We're really, really curious about your thoughts. And again, my name is Iggy. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.